Mocha, a combination of espresso, milk, and chocolate. It connects coffee with dessert by adding sweetness and richness. The chocolate changes the flavor profile, making it softer and more indulgent than standard milk-based drinks. Breve, a variation of a latte that uses half and half instead of regular milk. It became popular in the United States as a richer alternative. The higher fat content creates a thicker texture and a heavier mouthfeel. Café au lait, a simple mix of brewed coffee and hot milk. It comes from French coffee traditions and is often made at home rather than in espresso-based cafes. The use of regular coffee instead of espresso gives it a lighter and more familiar taste. Turkish coffee, a traditional preparation where very fine coffee grounds are simmered in water and served unfiltered. It dates back centuries and remains important in Middle Eastern culture. The grounds stay in the cup, creating a thick texture and a strong, lingering flavor. Cold brew, a coffee made by steeping grounds in cold water for many hours. This method developed as a way to create a smoother and less acidic drink. It stands apart from hot brewing by producing a softer and more mellow taste. Iced coffee, a chilled version of brewed coffee served over ice. It became popular in warmer climates as a refreshing alternative. Unlike cold brew, it is still made with heat and then cooled down, which keeps more of the traditional coffee sharpness. Nitro Cold Brew, cold brew infused with nitrogen gas to create a creamy texture and a foamy top. It is a modern innovation in coffee serving. The added gas changes the mouthfeel, making it smooth and slightly thick without adding milk. Frappé, a foamy iced coffee made by shaking instant coffee with water and ice. It became especially popular in Greece as a simple and refreshing drink. The foam and light bitterness give it a unique texture compared to other cold coffees. Frappuccino, a blended coffee drink that mixes ice, milk, and flavorings into a thick consistency. It was popularized by large coffee chains and leans toward a dessert experience. Its texture and sweetness make it very different from traditional coffee. Affogato, a dessert-style preparation where a shot of hot espresso is poured over ice cream. It comes from Italy and combines hot and cold in one serving. The melting ice cream softens the coffee while keeping its depth, creating a simple but rich contrast.